To make your life easier, I've created a Canva file for every image design in your template. You can find it on the PDF file in the template kit folder. Just click on the link and Canva will create a copy for you to modify as you want. As you can see, you can change the image, the fonts, the colors, and the decorations directly on Canva. When you are ready, just download it as a PNG with a transparent background and compressed for the web. Now go to Elementor, select the image you want to change, and upload the new one. You can also change the background images. Just go in Style, Background, and select a new photo or choose a color.